Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can fix your message swipe reply not working on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead, open our Play Store and check if we have updated our Instagram app or not. Go ahead, type in the name. So as you can see, in my case, the Instagram app is updated and it's working pretty fine as well. If it's not updated, go ahead, update. That is one of the reason as well. And after that, you will go ahead, check your network connection as well, where you are, what kind of network you have connected, if it's good or not. Then after that, you will go ahead, open your Instagram. Here you can go to your Instagram and try to use that feature. If it's still not working, what you can do, go to your settings over here and you will swipe down, find this option called app slide over, and go ahead, find the designated app of ours, Instagram. And once you find that, you can go to this option called storage over here and you can clear cache from your Instagram. Tap on this clear cache over here and you will clear your cache from your app right there. That way you will also make your Instagram app to work a little fine, and that will as well solve your problem. So make sure to try all of the methods that I have showed you over here, and this will definitely help you out, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you got more concerns, leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.